Once upon a time, there was a little village on the top of a big mountain. The king and his daughter, the princess, lived in a beautiful castle near the village. There was also a big green dragon. He lived in a cave near the village. He was very, very bad. One day there were no more sheep and the dragon was still hungry. So he decided to go to the castle, so the people of the village will give something or someone to eat.
The dragon was very hungry and he said to the princess, "I'm hungry and I'm going to eat you." And the princess said, "Help! Help! Sant Jordi, help me please, I'm afraid of dragons." The dragon took the princess to the mountain. There, the princess had to wait. She was really scared. "Stop a dragon! I'm not afraid of you!" he shouted. And snack, snack, the dragon was covered in blood. A beautiful rose was born. Sant Jordi took the rose.
Then Sant Jordi gave this rose to the princess. The princess goes back to the castle where she will celebrate with the ones she loves. On April 23rd, with roses, books and signs, we will remember and celebrate the legend of Sant Jordi. The rose, which symbolizes the blood of the dragon, is given as a gift to people you love, accompanied by a book. And why a book? Because since 1995, UNESCO has declared April 23rd as the International Day of the Book. In Girona, the Rambla and Plaça Catalunya is the most popular place where there are the shops with roses and books. And on this day, the streets are full of people, love and joy. It is a very special day for the Catalans.